The Honor X8 4G smartphone has been spotted on the Geekbench benchmarking website with some key details before launch. The next Honor budget smartphone dubbed the X8 4G will be launching in some regions in the coming days. Earlier this month, the phone made its appearance on the FCC and TÜV Rheinland certification websites. This listing sheds some light on the upcoming phone's battery capacity and charging speed. Now, the Honor X8 4G smartphone has been listed on the Geekbench database. Moreover, the Geekbench listing has divulged the upcoming smartphone's memory, operating system, chipset, and other key details. So, let's check out the Honor X8 4G expected specs and previously leaked details. First off, the Honor X8 4G Geekbench listing confirms the phone's model number TFYLX. This model number coincides with earlier leaks confirming this is the same X8 4G phone. Under the hood, the phone will pack a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset. Moreover, this processor has 4 cores that clock at 2.4 GHz, and 4 more cores clocking at 1.9 GHz. The phone will also feature a highly competent Adreno 610 GPU for handling graphics-intensive tasks efficiently. The phone will run the Android 11 operating system. Also, it will ship with 6 GB of RAM. Lastly, the phone scored 378 and 1473 points in Geekbench's single-core and multi-core tests. If previous leaks are anything to go by, the Honor X8 will draw inspiration from the Honor X30i, which is available in China. On the downside, the X8 will be a 4G device. Unlike the X30i, moreover, the phone will sport a 6.7-inch LCD screen that offers full HD resolution. For optics, it will house a 64-megapixel main camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a couple of 2-megapixel cameras for depth and macro shots. Up front, the phone features a 16-megapixel camera for selfies and video calling. Under the hood, the phone packs an octa-core SoC. Furthermore, the phone features 4 ARM Cortex-A73 cores that run at 2.4 GHz. Aside from that, it has 4 Cortex-A53 cores with a 1.9 GHz clock speed. A robust 4000 mAh battery with 22.5 watt fast charging support will be powering up the system. The handset will reportedly run Android 11 OS out of the box. Lastly, the phone is likely to launch in Europe carrying a price tag of about €200. More shreds of vital information about the Honor X8 are likely to surface online ahead of the smartphone's imminent launch. Thank you for watching. I'm very glad that you watch my videos. You are the best. Thank you. Stay happy.